back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look right here, this purple plum. I would say it's not plum, I would say it's just full on purple. This purple look right here. Shush phone, I'm trying to do something here. So I'm really happy on how it looks, and I'm super excited to edit this video and everything. And also one thing real quick, I am using a different setting. I just keep going back and forth of what I like and what I don't like, just to see what I like for this camera and what I like for my videos. I really want my videos to look really good and really professional, and I don't want it to look like but yeah, I'm on a different setting. I'm sorry if it's getting annoying or something, but I'm just learning this camera. I'm just like seeing what works and seeing what doesn't. But if you want to learn how to get this look, this purple yumminess, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my brows with you guys. Normally I'll do my brows off camera and like conceal them, fix them up and stuff like that, and then I'll start recording and prime my eyes with you guys. But I want to start doing my full face with you guys and everything, but I'm gonna take it very slow, like add a step every video. I recently started priming my eyes with you guys on camera. Now I want to do my brows on camera with you guys, but I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. brow pencil in what's the color? Neutral brown. I'm just going to brush my hairs up, and it doesn't matter if you do this part messy because we're going to be cleaning it up later. So I'll do this a couple of times to get the full shape of it, and then I'll take the spoolie side and I'll just brush it out and then fill it in again and just like make sure everything is how I like it. And I just like make sure I keep blending it out with the spoolie. Now, so they're messy like right now, they're like really messy, and like it's on my forehead, on above my brow, like down here and everything, but that's just so I could really blend everything. So I just go kind of crazy to blend everything out. But anyway, it's gonna get clean, it's not gonna stay there. I clean it up with this Maybelline New York concealer, Fit Me concealer in 10 Light, and I'll just like put that right here. So this brush is really dirty because I conceal my brows with this. But this is a little Morphe brush, and it's just like, it's just a flat brush. But this was really dirty because I always use this. I don't go with a different brush to conceal my brows. So I'm just going to obviously conceal my brows. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this stuff and put just a small little bit on my lids and then blend it out with my finger. And then I'm going to set it with the AirspunLoose face powder. And then I'm going to take the Tart Tartiest Pro palette, and I'm going to grab the color called No Filter, which is this one right here. We're just going to go in with purples, like, yeah. And the brush that I'm going to be grabbing is this big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to grab this color in the same palette, which is called Mod. I'm going to grab the same brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that color though. I'm going to blend that into the crease also, but more back here a little bit. Now I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Drama. With this is a Walgreens brush, which actually I'm very happy that I have this brush. I think Walgreens is like starting to branch out with their things, which I'm so happy about. I've never seen brushes before, so I assume that they're new. And I have another one, which is a face powder brush, and I really like it. And yeah, I really like this brush as well, and it's two-sided, so. And I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye. And this color is like almost a black, but it's like has a purple undertone. And I'm also going to bring that just a little bit in the crease, whatever is left on the brush from that color. And then I'm going to take the other brush that we had earlier and just blend everything together, just so there's no harsh lines or anything. I would take a clean brush, but I don't have a clean brush right now, so I'm just going to use the same brush. Just like that, and now I'm going to cut my crease with this Photo Focus Concealer by Wet n Wild in Light Ivory, and I'm just going to put that much on my lid and then just cut the crease. I'm going to take a really big and thick brush and I'm just going to blend out that concealer a little bit. I'm not going to blend, I'm just going to dab. I'm going to grab the same brush with the same color, the darkest color that we use. I'm going to grab a little bit and just retouch on that and just blend a little bit more on the wherever we stopped with the half cut crease. And then I grabbed the Ulta palette. The camera actually turned off on me while I was doing that, but I grabbed this Ulta Beauty little palette and I grabbed this color right here. I just put that on my lid, and then now I'm going to take this right here, this Ulta Beauty Glitter Tears eyeliner in Comet, and I'm going to just follow and where that cut crease is on the top and just make a thin line. Then I'm going to take this Ciate London liner, the Fierce Flicks liner, and I'm going to grab I think it's the color black. I don't know if it's jet black or anything, it doesn't say on it, but I'm just going to do like a kind of a subtle natural wing, since everything is going on the lids, like purple, gold, and everything. I don't want the wing to be very like in your face also. But if you want to do like a big wing, go ahead, doesn't matter. But I'm going to do kind of like a short wing. Just like that, and then I'll clean it up a little bit later, but it's just a little bit like not straight down here. But I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other eye, and then I'm going to plop on some lashes, and then I'm going to put on mascara. I'll tell you guys what I use, like the mascara and the lashes that I use later. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to do my full face off camera, and I am going to be right back with you guys. Okay, so I did my full face off camera, obviously, and now I'm going to take this Rimmel London white liner. I say this all the time when I use it, I don't know what it's called. All I know is that it's from Rimmel London, and it's a white waterline pencil. I'm just going to put this in my waterline real quick. I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to take the highlighter in this, which is right here. I'm going to take that with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Blossem Glow, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. But I'm just going to do just a little tiny bit on my brow. And then I'm going to take the same purple that we took on the first color that we took in our crease, which is this color right here from the Tart Tartiest Pro Palette, which is called No Filter. And I'm just going to take a brush and just blend it down there. Oh, and the lashes that I have on, I totally forgot to tell you guys, and my mascara. I used this Maybelline New York Great Lash Waterproof Mascara in Very Black. And the lashes that I have on right now are the Eylure lashes in 202. I think that's the style, 202. But yeah, so we're just gonna take that color. And then I'm gonna take the color called Drama, which is the last color that we used. And I'm gonna take the smallest bit of this color and put it on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to take that other color that we used on our in our crease before we used Drama and after we used No Filter, that pinky kind of color, and I'm just going to take the smallest bit and just blend everything together. And then I'm going to grab those two products that we put on our brow bone, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of our eye and also bring it to the lid. And I'm actually going to take the smallest bit of that color that we put on our lid, which is called Lola, and I'm going to put a little bit on top of that just to make it pop a little bit more. And now I'm going to put a little bit of powder under my eyes, and I'm going to put some mascara, which the mascara I'm going to be using is this mascara, the same mascara that I use for my top lashes. Alright guys, so for my lippy, I used 3 products for my lip. I used this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm. I put that around my mouth, I didn't put it in the center, and the lippy that I put in the center of the lip, which is really lighter, this is the Revlon lipstick in Nude Attitude, and it's so much lighter than Sandstorm. And then I put that in the center, and then I put a gloss on, and that is this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peach Please. And that's my lippy, and I really like it. The other day I tried, well, I didn't try, I used this, and I really liked on how it stayed on my lips and how it felt. But that's the end of this look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really like on how this purple look turned out. Like, I'm so happy on how it turned out. Like, I've never done a purple look before, but I think it looks pretty good. I really like it. I feel like I would wear this out to, like, eat, like, dinner and stuff like that. I really like how it turned out. It looked really good to me. I don't know. But yeah, so if you like this makeup look that I created, then give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and also hit that bell button if you're new, so you get notified every single time I upload a video once you subscribe. And what else? Follow me on my other social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. That stuff will be down below in the description. But I'm going to say it right here. My Facebook is Paige Hastings, and there's 2 of them actually, my personal one and like my regular one. But the one that looks like it's for makeup, that's the one that I use. I don't really use my personal one. It's just like there of when I was like 13 or something like that. You know, follow me on my newer one. And yeah, my Snapchat is the same thing, makeup_butcher, the same way it's spelled here. And also my Instagram is makeup_butcher like here, but it has a 13 at the end. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!